Hello everyone, today we have new video review and this time we're gonna check small airplane from Tiger model. As usual you can find detailed review article link in the video description below, just click it and you will find the detailed review in English and Russian with photos. As you can see, this is another egg plane, let's say, or as Tiger model calls it, cute airplane, which copies Messerschmitt Bf 109. There is no scale. It's the third kit in the series, in the mentioned series, and as you can see it comes in this nice box. Before it was available in a blister package, and now you can buy it as a standalone kit. And as you can see, here is the final type of the packaging. We have this cartoon picture of the airplane flying in the air. Then here we have some other models available from this manufacturer. Here we have one and only marking option which is available for this kit. Then we have on the other side, there are some features of this kit. So we have stickers and we have decals included, so it will be up to you what you apply in your model. This is a top opening box. As you can see, it's not that big. Here you can see comparison with my hand. And inside we find plastic sprues packed into the same plastic bag. Nevertheless, each sprue is packed into its own plastic bag, so no worries about possible damage or any other issues. And as you can see, whole sprues are packed into the sealed plastic bag, so we're gonna cut it and check contents closer. Just give me a second. Straight away I see that fuselage halves are molded together with exhausts, so it will be a bit difficult to weather them if you would like to get more realistic finish. Nevertheless, we will start from the one and only transparent part which is included into this kit, and as you can guess, this is a canopy. Canopy is molded as a one-piece part, as I said, so there won't be any option to build open cockpit on your small airplane. I mean, this is typical for all other kits in the same style, so it's no surprise. Nevertheless, molding quality is very nice. There are no masks supplied in this kit, so you will have to cut them by yourself. And I think for Messerschmitt it won't be a difficult task because of the squarish forms. It's easy to cut them through and get very nice and accurate result. So this is a transparent part. Then we have black plastic sprue. This one is dedicated to different elements actually. I can see one-piece propeller, so just give me a second to unbind paper clips which are secure in this bag in a closed position. So as I said, black plastic frame with large one-piece propeller. Then we have here landing gear wheels, also tail landing gear, and separately molded hubs for those wheels. As you can see, molding quality is very nice, and the only thing which will require your attention, attachment points on the propeller, because they are connected to the blades, and you might want to separate them carefully because otherwise you will be damaging your part. And then we have grey plastic sprue. This one is dedicated to fuselage parts, and I can see there is also second plastic frame which is dedicated to wings, actually lower wing half. So just give me a second to open it and we will take a closer look at this nice small sprue. Straight away I can say that you don't have to be worried about possible molding problems because Tiger model already proven that they can produce really nice kits with excellent molding quality, and here you can see another proof of it. So this is a plastic sprue with fuselage halves, as I said. As you can see, parts division is quite typical, so we have tail segment molded together with fuselage halves, and also rudder is molded together with these parts, so you won't have to attach them separately. Also, exhaust and air intake are also pre-molded in, and both parts feature nice recessed panel lines, so no worries about possible detailing issues, because it looks quite decent, especially for the cute airplane series, which does not or should not be realistic as other plastic kits of this airplane. Here you can see also top wing halves, tail wings, which are molded as one-piece parts, external fuel tank, and some other minor elements for external detailing. Inside there is no cockpit detailing. Why? Because it will be assembled separately, but you can see a very large, very noticeable position pins, which will help you with alignment. Actually, you can assemble whole model without using glue. It will be up to you how you choose to assemble it. Last grey plastic sprue is dedicated to lower wing half. And also here we have some cockpit parts. Note that this is a dashboard, which will require use of the decal or sticker, because otherwise it will be just plain dashboard. As for decals and stickers, we have them here. So those are stickers. Those will be useful for children, I think, because they won't have to deal with decals. And for professional modelers, we have decal sheet. As you can see, printing quality is very nice, and we have here a symbol for dashboard. Next we have assembly manual. Here it is. So as you can see, it's printed in color in form of this nice brochure. Here is parts map. Then we have some safety advices and assembly suggestions. And note that here we have the second marking option for Romanian Air Force BF109, which is actually surprising, because on the box you saw only this marking option, which is one and only. And here you can see assembly process schemes. It won't be difficult to assemble your own small airplane, and as a result you will get a decent small BF109. So that's all for this video review. I hope you enjoyed it. As usual, I remind you that you can click on the review link in the video description below, and of course leave your comments in the comment section below. I will be happy to hear your opinion about this model. And if you want to help us, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will be happy to hear you and see you in the next video review as usual. Bye!